did notice when I was talking to Ankit about getting these in place is I did notice that we didn't have something for the village itself.
Okay.
Experience, it was 2 winters ago, I had to call 000 to get some assistance, and it was really hard to establish what do they know us as. Is it 32 Currawong Road, which is the main address point for the village? Is it Bulbul Village? Is it Mount Bulbul Alpine Resort? There's so many different names. Or is it the actual property name of the building I was in at that time? And so that's why we actually established another emergency marker, which was 4001, which is a reference point for the central car park for the village. So that is sort of what we've recommended to people. If you're in the village and you need to call 000, refer to this point and it will get them to the main village entryway, and then you can meet them there and direct them to wherever they need to go. So that was probably the one addition we made when we noticed that was lacking, is that central access point and that central location that just gets people into the village and answers those questions of, oh, what do I say when I call 000? You can just do 4001 and that gets them here, and then you can work from there. Because the response time for us, obviously unless you're coming from a helicopter, is about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Saving time, and you're still saving lives. You're still getting that location to them in one word, rather than a 5-minute conversation about, all right, well, where are you? What's nearby? What's your nearest access road? Any of those things. It's trying to find that central point for the village that you can just reference that and deal with everything later, because there is that time and period that you do have, I guess, the ability to work out the details later, just get them on their way to the right location and then work from there.